And this is the tube that is inside that is hazardous. And it is on both sides. And those are the tubes that are hazardous inside the LCD monitor.